This video is going to be a case study on the page that we're blowing up right now. Yo, so as you can see, we got an Instagram page pulled up called Black Culture Nation. It got 78,000 followers on it. But the thing is, about 3 weeks ago, this page only had about 54,000 followers, maybe 53. It was around 53, 54,000 followers. And just in the last 3 weeks, we grew the page about 20,000 followers. This isn't my page. This is a client that hired me to grow his page. We hopped on and we just been going crazy, right? So I'm gonna break down everything that we've been doing to grow this page so far. First thing I want to do is we're going to look at the analytics so you can see how things have been going. So you can see in the last 30 days it gained 22,000 followers. Let me go to the last 90 days though real quick so you can see how it was growing before. So you can see the line right there, right? You can see the line. It was a flat line this whole time. As soon as we hopped on the page, I'm talking next day or two that we hopped on the page just started going crazy. You feel me? You can see the most we gained in the day was about 2,000 followers for him. And you can see it's still going up. You feel me? Like this page has still been growing. But that's not it. I'm going to show you a couple more things. You can see the audience insights and everything like that. Let me go to the views real quick. You can see in the last 30 days we did 7 million views. And the accounts reach was almost 4 million. But let's go to the last 90 days real quick. You can see, shit, in the last 90 days, it only did 8.5 million views. But you just saw we did over 7 million views in the last 30 days. So in the last 30 days, that's when majority of those views came from. And you can see right there, you can see all the insights. I just wanted to take you inside the insights real quick, show you how we've been doing, how we've been growing the page. Let's look at the last 14 days real quick. You can see in the last 14 days, we gained 14,000 followers. You feel me? Page been going crazy. So the first thing you want to do when it comes to growing your Instagram page, this is going to be great for anybody that's still under 100K. You're still trying to get your page off the ground. Because you saw right before we hopped on, the page was kind of stuck and it wasn't too much growth going on. Like, I know they started this page last year, so it took them a year to get to 50K. And I know you're probably wondering, like, how were we able to grow the page like that? So I'm gonna give you the 3 keys to blow up any Instagram theme page. The first key is content. So let me scroll down real quick. I want to show you what type of posts they were posting before we hopped on. So right here, right along here is when they were still on the page, right? You can see it's a lot of different types of content. They was throwing up some black and white quotes right here. You know what I mean? Like black and white quotes. It was all over the place, right? They even had some like money type posts, hustling type posts. You know what I mean? Black news. They had a lot of different things going on. It really had no clear direction, as you can see right here. A lot of different types of content, right? Black and white quotes, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it was all over the place, right? But let me scroll up real quick. Let me show you when we hopped on. Then right along here is when we hopped on, right? And we took out the black and white quotes. We took out all the unnecessary content. And we just focused on black history, black culture, and just black relatable content, right? You can see the difference right here. You feel me? And then the type of posts we've been doing, like, let's take a look at some of the content. You can see right here, this one did 1.6K. Let me actually go back to the likes real quick so y'all can see the likes on this. So right here, you can see they was doing 400 likes. Let's see right here, 500 likes. Let's see right here, 300 likes. How much this one got? 600 likes. Let's see, 200 right here. So you can see, like, it was getting some engagement, but it wasn't getting much engagement. Now let's take a look at some of the content we've been dropping. This one did 84,000 likes. Let's see. This one did 5K. This one did 2.5. This one did 31K. This one did 8K. This one did over 6K in less than a day. So you can see the post been going crazy. It's really going to come down to the type of content that you're posting. And this one is just a promo that we did. So we're starting to do promos on this page now. But yeah, it's really going to come down to your content. You got to find good content to post. And the way that you're going to do that is going on other people's pages, looking at their best performing posts, and just posting similar content to that on your page. And if we go back to the insights real quick, let me show you something. We're gonna go to views, and then we're gonna sort it by content. And you can see a lot of the top performing content are carousels. So if you want to grow your page right now, definitely go harder with the carousels. You can see there's one reel right here, but 8 out of the top 10 posts is carousels right now. So you want to make sure you're doing that to grow your page. Next key to the game is going to be captions, right? So captions allow you to build a stronger connection with your audience, which in turn is going to help you grow faster. So you can see right here, like our captions, we're not putting no bullshit. Like we're actually writing a real caption for each post that's relating to the content, right? So you can see right there, let's look at this one, another decent caption right there. We actually write a decent amount for our captions. Some of them just be a sentence or two, but it's actually relating to the post. We actually giving our thoughts and opinions on the content. So when you're making your post, make sure that you actually write a caption for it. Add some personality in there so your audience can relate to you more, and in return you're going to get a lot more followers. Like some of our posts, it gained us a lot of followers, dog. Like let me go to one that really hit. So this one right here did 84K, and you can see we wrote a decent caption for it as well. And you know what I mean, this one gained us 2,500 followers from this one post. You feel me? Let me go down, let's see if I can find another post real quick. This one right here did 90K, right? You can see, let's see how many followers. 1,500 followers from this one. This one did almost 47K. Let's look at how many followers it gained. 3,200 followers from this post as well. Like definitely write a decent caption for each post. Make sure it's relatable to the content. And look, if you want us to help you grow your Instagram theme page, like we'll take it over. You don't have to do anything at all. Click the link in the description below to work with us one-on-one. You see what we're doing with this page right here. Before we hopped on, it was stagnant. It really had no growth. And now the page is going crazy. You can see since we started recording, the page is at 78.1K now. You feel me? So it's still gaining followers every single day, almost 1,000 followers a day. And the third key to the game is simply going to be consistency. I know I talk about this all the time, but it's facts. You got to stay consistent. Like you can see, we've been posting every single day. We've been doing 2 posts a day ever since we hopped on. You can see 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 4 days ago, 5 days ago. That did almost 8K right there. 5 days, 6 days, 6 days, 6 a week. You can see we've been posting every single day, twice a day. You gotta stay consistent. Once you find what works on your page, you gotta look at your analytics, see what's working on your page, see what's not working, and take out all the unnecessary content. Like you saw how we did with the black and white quotes and everything. We saw like that wasn't really performing on the page. So we stopped posting it. We focused on what works on the page. And we found that the black culture content, the funny, relatable threads, that's what's been hitting on the page for real. So we doubled down on that, and we just been consistent with it. Your content come first. Find the best content. Go on other people's pages. Look at the top performing posts and post similar content to that on your page. But when you post them, make sure that you write a good caption so that you can build a stronger connection with your audience. You don't want to just throw up a post with no caption or just an emoji or something like that. Then once you got that, just stay consistent. That's the only thing that we did. We didn't buy no promos or anything for this page. This was strictly off the content, the captions, and staying consistent. So make sure you keep that in mind when you're growing your Instagram theme page. Like I said, we didn't spend any money. Anybody can go and start an Instagram theme page right now and blow your page up for free. And if you would like to work with me and my team one-on-one to blow your Instagram theme page up, click the link in the description below. Fill out all of the information, and if you're a good fit, I'll reach out to you. But other than that, I hope that y'all got value from this video. If you did, drop a like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one.